name is Thomas LEDFORD, aka Taxman88, and I'm here to have a conversation tonight about how to start your own tax preparation business from home. And a lot of times when it comes to starting a business, especially one you're not already familiar with, especially one you don't have any prior knowledge or skills or training in, but you chose a particular industry or niche or category for a certain reason, now you have to go out and research and find out how to make it happen for yourself. One of the things you want to be able to do is connect with someone who you can actually talk to, someone you can actually get to know on some level through video presentations. Because video presentations are the most powerful form of advertising that anyone can do, and it's hard to pretend to be someone you're not on video. Unless you're a paid professional, then that's a whole other category of what I'm talking about. But for the average Joe who's trying to start their own business, who already have a business, who chose to do video marketing as a way to brand themselves, to build awareness, to build no like and trust, to build a business, to be able to fool and manipulate people on video, is very difficult. And not to say that won't happen, but it's difficult. So it's all about the vibe and the flow that you get from watching a person on video that you connect with. So for something that you don't like about a person on video, that's probably a telltale sign that you probably won't connect with them. You probably won't eventually do business with them at all, and you'll keep going on to the next person and to the next and to the next until you find someone you can identify with, someone who you feel comfortable with, someone you can actually reach out and talk to on the phone, who can educate you and show you what's possible when it comes to starting your own tax preparation business. So that's one of the reasons I chose video marketing for myself. The second reason is because my mentor and coach has been using video marketing for the last 13 years to help build her business. And so that's two of the reasons I've chosen video marketing. And the third reason is, number one, this is the most powerful form of marketing you can ever implement inside your business that's going to help you to build no like and trust really fast. It's going to help you to brand yourself really quick. It's going to help you to build awareness and exposure in the marketplace, which happens to be the internet for us, because that's where we go to find the people we look to do business with. And more specifically, social media platforms where people are already hanging out at. So people are already hanging out on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube. So all the different social media platforms have people already there. What I come to learn through having my mentor and coach was that I wanted to take my business to a whole other level. And I knew, number one, I didn't have the knowledge and skills to make it happen. I knew that I had to go find someone who had the knowledge and skills to help me make it happen. And I knew the most logical place would be the internet, since that was the place I hung out for many hours a day, 7 days a week anyway. And so my local area wasn't a logical choice for me, because I didn't hang out in my local area like that. So the internet was the most logical place for me to go look and research on how to find someone who can help me take my pre-existing tax preparation business to a whole other level. So what you're looking at right now, Google search engine. So you type in the term, how to start your own tax business from home, or whatever phrase you want to use, you're going to get some search results, and you got to go through each one to see which one is the appropriate information that you believe you can take hold to, follow, and make it happen for yourself, or go through these different search results to see if there's a person that's in front of the message, in front of the website that you can connect with, you can identify with, who can educate you and show you up close and personal that tax preparation business model that you chose to make happen for yourself. They can help you make it happen. And so I've run into clients who've already invested with other people when it comes to starting their own tax preparation business, who couldn't deliver on their promise. And so that's the biggest challenge you're going to run into when you're looking online, or you're looking in general to start your own business, and you're looking to get some help from a mentor and a coach that's going to help make that process much more smooth and easy and streamlined for you to make it happen. And so that's the whole purpose of mentorship and coaching, is to connect with someone who you can trust, who you can identify with, who you like their vibe, they flow, and what they stand for, by being able to watch a series of videos and being able to call them up and talk to them and see that they're a real person and get to find out that they know what they know what they know, because they validated their information over the phone with the content you already consumed through their videos. And so that's the experience that I'm experiencing with the clients that I run into. They watch my videos, they're ready to take action, they give me a call, and I'm able to validate and verify the information that they already consumed in videos, that I know my stuff. And so that's the key to that. It's not stuff I heard somewhere else. It's not no regurgitated information that I'm just simply reciting, but they know from the way I talk and the way I carry myself that I have real world experience in what I do. And so that's real important. And so that's what videos get across to your potential client. They get across that, hey, this person here, I believe they know their stuff. I believe they knowledgeable in what they can do. I believe they have my best interest at heart and help me to get started. And I want to at least call them up because I got questions and concerns going forward that I need to have smashed. So that's what I'm able to do when people call me up. You know what I'm saying? I leave all my contact information inside my videos, and I get calls out the blue from people who already watched my videos. I have no clue who they are, but they've been watching me. You know what I'm saying? And so what I've started to do now is leave a link inside of my videos going forward where you can join my email list, where you receive 20 up to 50% off all my products and services. And these are for people who are interested in what I had to offer and what I'm about when it comes to starting their own tax preparation business. And so to join my email list, it's the benefit of getting to be able to follow me up close and personal, where if you don't check out my YouTube channel, you'll get an email. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't check me out on Facebook, you get an email. So there's many ways to keep in touch with people, and email is the second most effective way to keep in front of your clients, because you want to be able to email them the different specials, the different things that's going on inside your business that you don't want the general public to know. And so it's for paid, it's for people that's on your list. It's definitely for your paid members who gonna get an email and find out what you had to offer, what new product or service that you're working on, that you're about to launch and go public with. They'll get a chance to get those things at a discount every time you do something when it comes to a new product or service that's designed to help them to be better inside their business, is what it's really all about. So, like I say, this here is a search. This first search is a school. You know what I'm saying? This school here, I'm going to click on the link. This is a school you can go to. And while I'm waiting for this to load, this website, this is an income tax school. They got different courses, different certifications, and different things you can come here and learn. That's going to help you start your own tax preparation business. But the difference is this is a website. So if you click on this website link and you go here and you check out the information on the beginner's tax training, if you go into all the different tabs and check out all the different information it has, this website is counting on you to sign up for one of their courses based on what you're looking to do. There's no person that's promoting this school that's going to put the personal touch to it, that's going to build a relationship with the school that you can connect with. And so that's the big difference between what I do and what you're going to run across doing your research to find someone you can connect with that's going to help you to get your tax preparation business started. That I help fast track your success by leveraging my 19 years of experience, 13 as a business owner, to help you to create and grow a business for yourself that's awesome. And so when it comes to this here, what I'm going to do is, this bot popped up and I'm recording a video and it's basically getting in my way, so I'm going to shut it down because I don't need to interact with the bot. Matter of fact, I'm going to leave it there because it's up now. And so that's just one of the examples about this, doing your research on what school you're going to, if you're going to go to a school or not. Are you going to connect with a real person who offers a mentorship and coaching program that's going to walk you to start your own tax preparation business? So there's so many different ways to make that happen for yourself. So you got to choose which is the best option for you. And that's going to be different for everybody. And so when it comes to my YouTube channel was designed to showcase my knowledge and skills and promote the different products and services that I have inside of my business, that people who already look for what I have to offer can find me. And so that's what my YouTube channel is designed to do. So when it comes to that, and so you want to be able to connect with someone who you can identify with and trust to help you to get started. I have an 18-month membership program for my mentorship and coaching for people who are starting their own tax preparation business. And then I'm also doing a special program that's only 12 weeks right now, and the price point is $799, and you get an additional bonus of 8 weeks during actual tax season for the support you're going to need to be successful during tax season. And the second bonus is for people who make a one-time payment of $799, where you get to actually leverage my software, my tools, my resources, my infrastructure, where all you make is an initial investment of $799, and as long as you got a laptop or a desktop and a printer and a few other things at home already, you're ready to go. And so that's the special I'm doing, which ends October the 10th, where you get 2 bonuses. One bonus is based off the additional 8 weeks doing actual tax season for the support you're going to need, and that bonus you get regardless if you make the one-time payment of $799 or the 3 monthly payments of $266. You get that extra 8 weeks regardless of which option you use to pay with. But the second bonus only comes with the one-time payment option of $799, where you get to use my infrastructure for software, tools, and resources that's going to help you run a virtual business online for yourself without having to pay any additional investment to work with me. And so, like I said, that ends October the 10th, 12 a.m. Central Time, Midwest, Chicago, Illinois time. So if you're interested in that, if you know you want to start your own tax preparation business, my regular mentorship coaching program is 18 months. And on top of that, it's $1,997, and or you can do this payment plan method of 6 payments for $350. It's all about what type of commitment you want to make to yourself when it comes to starting your own business. You want to leverage the 12 weeks plus the bonus of 8 weeks during tax season, or do you want to get the extra bonus of 12 weeks plus using my infrastructure for the one-time payment of $799? The choice is yours. But I know one thing: if you're new to this industry, you want to definitely just get all in to my mentorship and coaching program and get the 18-month access to working with me. That's going to build a solid foundation for you. So after the 18 months is up, you decide if you want to stay working with me or you want to go off on your own. The choice is yours. But 12 weeks is just a teaser. It's an introduction to help you get set up and started. The 8 weeks bonus section during the actual tax season is designed to give you the support you need, to allow you to make some money during your first season. And after that, you have to reevaluate what you want to do after that. Because see, after you reevaluate what you want to do, if you take the 12-week program and you decide, hey, you need more support, you need more training, and you wish you could go ahead and purchase the full mentorship and coaching program with 18-month access, what you'll do is you'll get an opportunity before the tax season is over to upgrade into that program for a flat fee. And also a payment plan will go with that, just in case the $1,000 upgrade you don't have at one time, you'll be able to make 4 monthly payments of $250 to upgrade into the 18-month mentorship and coaching program. So when it comes to looking and searching for someone who can help start you on your way to starting your own tax preparation business, check out my YouTube channel. Inside the description of this video, I'm going to leave a link to my email list. Join my email list, and so you'll automatically qualify for 20 to 50% off my products and services. And if any way I can help you to take yourself and your business to a whole other level, just reach out to me and let me know. Let's talk, let's connect, and let's make it happen. And I'll see you in my next video.